hate the night. It's a very long. Aches and pains amplify. I do not know why. However, I must admit, I've considered many a song. Still, I hate the night because it's so very long. I stay open and my mind is very active. I lie there and fantasize what white might be. On occasion, I get up. It's a fact of I tried sleeping pills. They did not work. Can't you see? I often get up and make a pot of coffee. Not a great idea. As caffeine is like speed to me. What is really sad during work hours, sitting in my chair, I then nap frequently. It is not fair. I hate the night. It's so very long. Aches and pains amplify. I do not know why. However, I must admit, while awake, I considered many a song. Still I hate the night because it's very long. Still I hate the night. It's so very long.